As a new manager, you want to get off on the right foot. So join me in this course to see how to do just that. Hello, my name is Kristen Earp. I'm a leadership development coach and trainer. I support emerging leaders like yourself to make a successful transition to management. My 20-plus year career in training and development is supported by a master's in organizational psychology and 2 coaching certifications, one through the International Coaching Federation. I have worked in several industries and with leaders at all levels of their career. The most exciting part of my job is to help leaders become more intentional and effective in their leadership skills. I hope this course guides you into what could be possible for you in your new leadership role. In this course, what every new manager needs to know, we will look at what it means to be a new manager, including the mindset shifts that will help you to be more coach-like and how to start looking at the bigger picture. We have hands-on exercises in all sections to help you apply your learning. So, if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started.